The 21st century presents the world with many challenges. One of the most important challenges is energy system reform, given that fossil fuels are limited and are inflicting serious harm on our planet. Zytec was founded in 2005 at the hands of Enrique Zueco, who created a group of companies devoted to the renewable energy and sustainable transport sectors. Renewable energies are the most sensible solution to this challenge, based on their innumerable advantages. They can be generated locally, produce no waste, reduce our dependence on fossil fuels, generate more jobs, and allow for sustainable development with a minimal environmental impact. With European engineering, Asian manufacturing and a business presence in Spain, Italy, France, Germany, Benelux, the United States and Chile, as well as a vocation to continue its international expansion. Zytec's continued growth and decisive focus on quality have turned this company into a paradigm based on its unbeatable value for money, which is the key to ensuring the fastest and safest return on investment. Zytec's main activity is the production of monocrystalline and polycrystalline photovoltaic modules for grid-connected and off-grid systems. Zytec produces standard photovoltaic modules from 2 to 300 watt peak and special modules for building integration, BIPV. Zytec's production process possesses several competitive advantages: specialist manpower, quality certificates, state-of-the-art machinery, exhaustive controls on processes and parts, 100% European engineering and production in Asia allow us to offer unbeatable value for money and great versatility in adapting our products to the specific needs of each project around the world. Zytec's module production and business volume figures therefore grow year after year. A steadfast commitment to continuous improvement means that research, innovation and quality are essential for Zytec. In fact, Zytec has a number of R&D programs related to photovoltaic concentration, solar thermal energy, maximum efficiency cells, new manufacturing technologies, and new applications of nanomaterials. In addition to its solar photovoltaic activities, Zytec sells mini wind turbines, solar thermal collectors, and electric vehicles through other Zytec Group companies. This underlines the Group's commitment to renewable energies and sustainable transport, a commitment which respects our planet.